Cough up. I told Keith to cough it up. Definition: to give something unwillingly or reluctantly. Example number 1. Marie lost the bet, and John told her to cough up the money. Meaning, he told her to hand over the money she owed him. Example number 2. Paul told Tim to cough up the money or he couldn't go on the trip. Meaning, he told Tim to pay him the money he owed for the trip.